Hello and welcome. In this segment, we briefly consider sections 31 to 40 of the Marriage Act, with particular attention to the provisions on invalid marriages. Section 31 allows clerical errors in marriage certificates to be corrected by the registrar with the authority of the principal registrar once the original certificate is produced. Section 32 provides that a marriage certificate filed in the registrar's office or a certified copy of it is admissible as evidence of the marriage in legal proceedings. Sections 33 to 35 address the validity of marriages under the Act. Section 33 outlines situations in which a marriage will be regarded as invalid, particularly where the parties knowingly allowed the marriage to be celebrated improperly, such as in an unauthorized place under false names without the required registrar's certificate or license, or before a person not authorized to celebrate marriages. Section 34 affirms that marriages properly celebrated under the Marriage Act are valid in law. Section 35 is especially significant. It provides that a person who is married under the Act cannot, during the subsistence of that marriage, contract another marriage under customary law. In other words, a statutory marriage creates a monogamous union, and any attempt to enter into a customary marriage while that statutory marriage still subsists will be invalid. Sections 36 to 38 deal with fees payable under the Act and the possibility of reducing or remitting such fees where the parties are unable to pay. Finally, Sections 39 and 40 create offences, including going through a marriage ceremony with a person known to be already married and making false declarations in documents relating to a marriage. In conclusion, it is important to re-emphasize sections 33 to 35, which highlight the rules on invalid marriages and the distinction between statutory marriage under the Act and customary marriage. While both forms of marriage are recognized in law and neither is inferior to the other, the law does not permit a person already married under the Act to contract a customary marriage during the subsistence of that statutory union.